Good morning, you guys. I'm back with another video this morning, and this is based out in Georgia. It's a remote position at this company called ASK Staffing Incorporated. And the job role for this job is customer service representative. It's $16 to $17 per hour. It's temporary, and it's a contract job. The full job description is duration 3 months, could extend longer. Pay is $17 per hour once again, and work from home is 100% remote. You will be provided company equipment, laptop monitor, docking station, keyboard, USB headset, mouse, and Ethernet cord. This is contract position with the Fortune 10 company. You will be working in a high volume call center handling questions from patients. You will need to have a quiet, private place to work as you will be handling private and sensitive information. Primary duties and responsibilities. Depending on the program-specific contracted services, an associate may perform one or more of the following activities: inbound phone call, general program inquiries, determination for support programs, copay, PAP, and Medicaid, etc., pharmacy triage and coordination, order processing for wholesale orders, other follow-up activities, missing information, prior authorization, etc., intakes and reports adverse events as directed, researches and resolve any claim denials or underpayment of claims. Effectively utilizes various means of collecting information using appropriate methods, which could include phone, fax, mail, and online methods. Provide exceptional customer service to internal and external customers. Resolves any customer requests in a timely and accurate manner. Escalates complaints accordingly. Reports any trends of delays to program management, billing denials, claims denials, pricing errors, payments, etc. Ensures all program correspondence and communication, phone, fax, mail, etc. meets quality standards. Works with patient, provider, and/or internal shared services to ensure all necessary documentation is received and complete in accordance with program policy. Works on problems of moderate scope where analysis of data requires a review of a variety of factors, exercises judgment within defined standard operating procedures to determine appropriate action. Required to be self-motivated, working from a quote, phone, or system. Expected to perform work in accordance with defined standard operating procedures. Management will monitor quotes and provide active feedback as required. Performance-related duties as assigned. Experience and educational requirements. High school diploma or GED required. It is an 8-hour shift, Monday through Friday. COVID-19 considerations. This is 100% remote work from home job. It's ongoing. Need to fill this role. It's posted today as of August the 11th, 2022 on a Thursday morning. You guys get into it. This is a customer service representative position. Staffing Incorporated, and you can apply through Indeed, and I will post a link down below for this job. Now, the second job for this video is with a company called Make Corporation, and the job role for this job would be HR Generalist, and it's a remote position, and it's paying $59 an hour. It's a contract job position. And with this job, the location is remote, as stated above, and duration is 6 months contract. And the job summary: responsible for providing critical support and analytical assistance for process enhancements, system integration, and special projects. Serves as the expert resource for critical problem-solving, solution development, and change project implementation. Excuse me. Responsibility: analyze data gathered and develop solutions or alternative methods of proceeding. Collect business intelligence data from available industry reports, public information, field reports, or purchased sources. Confer with stakeholders concerned to ensure successful functioning of newly implemented systems or procedures. Document findings of study and prepare recommendations for implementation of new systems, procedures, or organizational changes. Maintain library of model documents, templates, or other reusable knowledge assets. Plan study of work problems and procedures such as organizational change, communications, information flow, integrated production methods, inventory control, or cost analysis. Synthesize current business intelligence or trend data to support recommendations for action. May perform other job duties as directed by employees' leaders. Knowledge, skills, and abilities. Knowledge of media, production, communication, and dissemination techniques and methods, including alternative ways to inform and entertain via written, oral, and vision media. Knowledge of principles and procedures for personal recruitment, selection, training, compensation, and benefits, labor relations, and negotiation, and personal information systems. I'm just studying all on myself this morning, guys. I used to get it together by now. Guys, it's been a long morning. Sorry about all of this. I'll get it together, you guys. Let's get into the rest of this video. Knowledge of human behavior and performance. Individual differences in ability, personality, and interests. Learning and motivation, psychological research methods, and the assessment and treatment of behavior and affective disorders. Skilled in using logic and reasoning to identify the strengths and weaknesses of alternative solutions, conclusions, or approaches to problems. Ability to communicate information and ideas in speaking so others will understand. Education required high school diploma or GED. Work experience. Advanced level experience, seasoned and specialized knowledge in relevant consulting, analytical, or problem-solving roles. Physical abilities, ability to perform work duties from limited space workstation, desk, office area for extended periods of time. Ability to communicate and interact with others in the English language to meet the demands of the job. Ability to use a computer and other office productivity tools with sufficient speed and accuracy to meet the demands of the job. And this job is paying $59 per hour. It's an 8-hour shift. I'll be doing a video alone on this by itself soon. If they come back up with another job offer, because this is a great job, you guys. It's an HR generalist position. It's a work from home position 100%. taking that into consideration with COVID-19. And they're hiring for 3 candidates for this role. They're urgently hiring. It just got posted today, August the 11th, on this Thursday morning. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, you guys go ahead and get into it. And this will be all for this video. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give us a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you for my comments, the new viewers who come. Thank you for the ones that are currently always viewing my content. Thank you guys so very much. And I hope to see you guys on another video. And keep on sparkling, keep on shining, you guys, because you are worth it. Hit the like button and let's get it.